Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your Pixel to run AI features smoothly and securely. Open Settings and choose System, then tap Software Update to check for the latest build. Update Google Apps in the Play Store to ensure compatibility with Pixel AI tools. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and charge the phone above 50% to avoid interruptions during heavy processing. Sign in to your Google account and review sync and backup settings so your AI prompts and preferences persist across devices. Next, enable and customize Pixel AI options in your system settings and Google settings. Open Settings, scroll to Google, and tap Settings for Google to find AI controls. From there, enable Magic Editor, Live Translate, and generative responses in Google Assistant if available. Adjust voice match, activity controls, and data sharing to limit what information the AI uses. Review privacy toggles and clear any activity you do not want used for personalization. Restart the phone to apply major changes and verify features appear in apps. Now use Pixel AI across daily apps to save time and improve results. In Photos, tap Edit, then Magic Editor to remove objects, reframe shots, and adjust lighting with a few taps. Press and hold the power button or say the wake phrase to open Assistant and ask for summaries, email drafts, or meeting notes. In Recorder, enable AI transcription and use text search to locate moments in audio quickly. Try Live Translate in conversations and Live Caption for accessibility in videos and calls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.